What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing Heart Soil's Whey Protein. Now, it comes in this really cool container. I gotta say, I love that it's a cardboard container and not plastic. Typically, a lot of protein powders and things like this come in plastic containers or plastic bags. And I just love that it's a cardboard container. So there's no plastics, and it's more eco-friendly, and it just actually feels really cool. This top kind of comes off like that, and then there's this additional top that seal sort of comes off like this, and then within there, obviously, you have the whey with a scoop, which is a paper scoop, not a plastic scoop. So I love the intentionality around the design of the packaging. It's more eco-friendly, but also healthier because there's no microplastics, all cardboard or paper, and then the scoop, once again, is like a paper, not paper, but more of a cardboard scoop. So I really like that. So this is the chocolate sea salt flavor. Let me read the ingredients to you and then break it down a little bit. So it's whey protein concentrate, which is obviously milk derived, organic maple syrup powder, organic raw cacao powder, and North American pink sea salt. Now, this formula is 100% grass-fed, and it's 25 grams of protein per serving. Now, one serving is 2 scoops, so you're getting 25 grams of protein with every 2 scoops. So it's about 12.5 grams of protein per scoop. Now, in terms of the quality, absolutely fantastic. Everything is organic and grass-fed, 100%. That's what you want. It tastes amazing. This chocolate sea salt flavor. It's got a creamy chocolate flavor to it, creamy chocolate taste. I don't really taste the salt so much, but I think it's the undertone of that salt that gives it that really kind of rich flavor. So it's absolutely delicious. I like it because most whey protein powders, just honestly, they don't taste that great. And this is honestly the best tasting whey protein powder I've ever had. It's just really, really good. I think it's the combination of the cacao and the maple syrup with a little bit of salt, and obviously high quality, all organic, grass-fed ingredients. It just really kind of tops it off. It goes great into water, it goes great into milk, it goes great into yogurt. Typically I'll add it to like Greek yogurt, 2 scoops into Greek yogurt, which obviously Greek yogurt is protein rich. So then I'm getting like 25 grams of protein here, plus my Greek yogurt, which might be another 5, 10, 15 grams of protein, whatever it is. So it tastes amazing. I highly recommend it. The Heart Soil company is a fantastic company. Everything they produce is high quality. I've taken their organ meat supplements, also their sister company, Lineage Provisions. They make these jerky sticks that have liver and I think kidney, at least liver, in the beef jerky. And you really don't even taste it because they dilute it to the point where you don't taste it. So Heart Soil is amazing. This product's amazing. I highly recommend it. I'll link it up below with a discount code. I'll also link up their company, Lineage Provisions, below with a discount code so you can check that out as well. And then another company, I actually just got this in the mail today, so I figured I'd share it with you because it's so similar, is a company called Paleovalley. This is 100% grass-fed bone broth protein powder. So really complimentary in terms of quality. Well, not in terms of quality, but in terms of like what it does for your body. Bone broth is really great for your joints, ligaments, tendons, and gut lining. And this is 100% grass-fed. What I like about this company is they have both flavored and unflavored. So I get the unflavored one because sometimes I just want to do the most neutral thing possible and not have anything taint my gut in any way. Which sometimes things with maple syrup or sweeteners or things, sometimes I just don't want those things. So I like that they have one flavor, but they also have a vanilla flavor that's amazing and a chocolate flavor that's amazing. So, and they just pair well together. I'll mix these together. I'll mix the bone broth protein with the whey protein. So I'm getting more minerals, and this is protein as well. This is like, I want to say 1 scoop is 17 grams of amino acids, it looks like, I believe, yeah. So you're getting, 15 grams per scoop. But then you're getting all the minerals from bone broth. So I would recommend pairing these together. I'll link this up below with the discount code. I believe the discount code is HealthyW10 or something like that. And then I'll link this up below. This link alone, you just click that link and it gives you 15% off your order. So check out Heart Soil, check out Paleovalley. They're both amazing brands. In terms of the bone broth, whey protein, organ supplements, things like that, These are my two go-to brands in this space and probably will forever be because they make the highest quality products and they're just simply the best I've found. So I'll link both of these up below. Also, if you want to get a discount on 20 different health and wellness brands, I vet health and wellness brands as a health and wellness coach, and I'll put the link below. It's healthywildfree.com/shop, and that link will give you discounts to more than 20 different health and wellness brands. I'm talking supplements, superfoods, snacks, health technology, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, barefoot minimalist shoes, and so much more. So check out the links below in the description. Hope this review helped you out. Mix these together, you'll be glad you did, and your protein synthesis in your body will definitely be glad you did. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.